Do you have a child who finds it difficult to follow instructions or is murmuring all the time, saying something like that? Now, following instructions, when you say, it's like you have asked the child to do something, but the child is not doing. First of all, I feel that you would have given multiple instructions, like 2-3 instructions. Open the book, page number 72, line number 13, or question number this. This is very difficult for the child. So when you give instruction, you make sure you give one instruction, just one. Once that is achieved, go to the second, and then the third, and then the fourth. This way, you will get the child's attention, and you will also get the completion of the task. The child also feels, yeah, I have completed the task. Children with learning disability cannot take multiple instructions, and hence, because they don't understand, they start murmuring to themselves like, what is said? What am I supposed to do? So if you remember this movie Tare Zameen Par, the teacher had given multiple instructions to the child when he was asked to read, and he was just flipping through the pages. He didn't know what to do, and then after that he started some rubbish because something he had to say, because there was so much of pressure from the teacher. So please understand that our children with learning disability have multiple problems in getting the right signals in their brain, getting the information to the to reading or to do writing or follow instructions. So they can be amazing as long as you change your approach and method. That is one instruction at a time. That's it. Achieve, go to the next instruction. So you will say, oh God, it's going to take so much time. Yeah, anyway, by giving multiple instruction, it hasn't helped. It has taken so many years for you to reach. So what if you follow small, short steps and go slow, but go sure that you're going to achieve it. Thank you. Hi, this is Bala Saraswati. I'm an LD remedial coach. I'm on a mission to help 100,000 children overcome learning problems by coaching parents and teachers. So if you're a parent who wants help for your child, we have a program called TYCY program, that is Teach Your Child Yourself. So in that program, I coach the parent personally and how you can deal. We make a customized program purely for your child, and you deal with the child at home and guide the child. Or if you're a teacher watching this video, you can join our course Remedial Education program by clicking the link in the description box. Join a WhatsApp group where we show you step by step how you can become a remedial educator and teach children online, help 50 million children who are suffering with learning disability. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.